Hey guys, this is your friend MDZ back with a new video. So today in this video we are gonna see how to install MySQL in our PC, and also we will be running some codes of MySQL via two different methods. So the first one is by using the command prompt, and the second one is by using the PHP myadmin option, which is being provided by the XAMPP control. And firstly, I would like to ask whether you have a XAMPP installed in your PC or not. So if you don't have XAMPP installed in your PC, you can refer the video which I have just shared with you all on our unofficial group, so that you can just come to know how to install a XAMPP in your PC. So okay, so let's begin. So firstly, just see that you have a XAMPP installed in a PC, and after you install it, just go to your XAMPP folder and open the XAMPP control application. Okay, so once you open this, just start the Apache module and MySQL module. Alright, so okay, yeah, done. So wait till the time this background of the Apache and MySQL turns to green. See, you can see over here that the background color of both Apache and MySQL has turned green. Okay, once you do this, just go to your browser, yeah, and type over here local host slash dashboard slash. Okay, just type in the same line what I have typed over here and press enter. Okay, so we'll be provided with this page over here. So also I would like to tell you all that there's no need of internet for this loading of this page, because it's an offline since we have installed the XAMPP already in our PC. So once you get to this page, just check. Okay, we are having it over here. So this page is all telling about what the XAMPP comprises of. So it comprises of Apache module, MariaDB, PHP, Perl, and all things. So in the menu, just search for the option PHP myadmin. So it's over here, PHP myadmin. Just click on it. Okay, so this page has just been opened for us. So over here you can see on the left side of my page there are several folders over here. So these are not folders, actually these are all the databases. So these 5 databases were initially in my PC, and these 4 over here, the shop test, SDB, Z, these databases are being created by me. So okay, now over here you can see you have the options databases, SQL, status, user accounts, and all these various kind of menu options. So just click on SQL over here. Okay, so once we click on SQL, you will be provided with a box over here wherein you can type your code. So I would just like to show you all the basic code. So show. Okay, one more thing over here, whenever you type a code, so this uh, coding kind of ID, we can say, it provides us with a facility that it will automatically, what we say, assist you in coding. So see, I just typed over here SHO, so it's saying show. Just click show data. See, so option database and databases, so select for databases. So I have just typed a code show databases, and okay, the most important part of MySQL is that you should include a semicolon just after the end of your code. So I'm just placing a semicolon over here and pressing enter. And after you type this code, just click on go. Okay, all right. So we have the output over here. So all the databases which are in my PC right now is being provided to me, and you can see that all these databases are same as I showed you before on the left side of my page. See, information schema, MySQL, and all these are same. So this is one of the option wherein you can just type, or you can just code for MySQL. Okay, hope so you understood this method. Okay, now we'll be seeing about the next method, that is by the command prompt. So firstly, just go to your folder, your XAMPP folder. Okay, now over here you have to search for MySQL. So XAMPP is a particular kind of application which provides us with various modules like Apache, like MySQL, Perl, PHP, etc. So over here we're just gonna find MySQL. So right, it's over here. Okay, in MySQL you just search for a folder named as bin. So it's over here, bin, and in the bin folder you have to search for an application named as MySQL only. So where is it? Okay, it's over here, MySQL. So we have this MySQL file in the bin of MySQL folder of XAMPP in Windows 8 local disk C. Okay, so we know the directory of it. So just launch your cmd. So open the run, type in cmd. Okay, so I've just opened my command prompt, and over here you can see initially what happens is a directory is open in your PC. In my PC it's C users Z, in your PC it might be something else. So in order to clear this, firstly you should type cd space backslash. Okay, so you can see over here the directory has just changed, and it's in the local disk C. So in the local disk C, firstly I will show you over here. Okay, let me check. Yeah, I'll minimize it, just make it small. Okay, over here you can see in the local disk C we have to go in XAMPP folder. So just change the directory over here to cd space XAMPP. Okay, all right. So we have just entered the XAMPP folder over here. Now in this XAMPP folder, what you have to open is the MySQL folder, right? This one. Okay. So again I will type over here cd space MySQL, enter. So again we have entered into a new directory, that is MySQL. Now inside this MySQL we have to enter the folder bin. Okay, so again we will be typing over here cd space bin. Alright, so we have entered into the bin folder again, and finally we will be opening this application, or we will be running this application named as MySQL. See, you can see MySQL. So just type in over here. Now we are not going to type change directory because it is not a directory, it is an application. So for running this you will have to type MySQL space user root password and host a local host server. So just type this thing MySQL space minus of u space root space minus p space minus h space localhost and press enter. Okay, so now your command prompt will be asking for a password. So initially what happens is XAMPP does not sets a password in this. So now I'm just going to press enter over here because I have not declared any password initially. So if it asks, or if it says that you have a password or password is incorrect or something like that, so I will be making video for it also again. So now we have just opened and accessed MariaDB. Okay, so what is MariaDB? So we'll be just searching about this. So basically MariaDB is nothing but database management system. Okay, we'll just search for it. Okay, MariaDB right over here. So MongoDB Server is one of the most popular open source relational databases. It's made by the original developers of MySql.